Welcome to Peak College. Let me give you an orientation of your enrolled program. Inside the account information you received from the school, you'll find the Create a Gmail account that you will be using till you finish your course. Please check this email to see your official email address and password. This is the only Gmail account allowed in attending your online classes. So this is your email and password. You'll find it inside the account information. You have here guides for you on how to join the class using computer or using mobile phones. Just click the link of your preferred device to see tutorials. Your class schedule is here as well, and your teacher's name. For the payment options, in paying your remaining balance, you have these options. You can e-transfer it to payment@peakcollege.ca, or if you want to pay by cash, credit, or debit, you have to go to the school. The school's operating hours, we are open every Monday to Thursday, 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., and every Saturdays from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. These are the numbers and email addresses you can reach within the school operating hours if you need help. To see your course outline and student handbook, just click these links. Now you're all set. We are here to help and support you in class. Now I'm going to teach you how to attend your class. Open whatever internet browser you have on your device. Check the account information you received from the school in your personal Gmail. It's right here. Now, type your college email. So it's going to be your name. This is just an example, student. And then at peakcollege.ca. Click next. And then type the password inside your account information. Now, just scroll and click I understand. This is the only Gmail account allowed in attending your classes, submitting your assignments, and taking exams. This is the account information we discussed a while ago. Everything's right here, which is also sent to your personal Gmail. How to check which account is active? So what you will do is go to the top right corner, click the Google logo with initial. Make sure the one active is your account with @peakcollege.ca. You will also notice a dotted box beside the Google logo. When you click this, it will show you all the Google apps available in the workspace. Click Classroom, and it will lead you to Classroom. Make sure you're using the right account. Click Continue, and then click I'm a student. And you will see your enrolled program. If this is not showing, the only reason is you're using the wrong Gmail account. So how do you check which account is active again? Just click the initial in the top right corner and then make the right account active. Now we will click Join. And now you're inside Classroom. Under Stream tab, here you will find all the announcements to your class. Click the Join button to join the class, and it will lead you to the testing page. So here you set up your mic, your camera, and you can also change your background if you want to change it. Just click the Apply Visual Effects, and then you can choose whatever visual effects you prefer. Now, after done setting up, sometimes you will encounter pop-ups asking you if you will allow your mic and your camera. Just click Allow. And then click Join Now. From here, you just wait for your teacher to start the class. I'm going to close this for now. And we will discuss what's under classwork. Under classwork, here you will find all the forms, lectures, and materials you will need till you finish your course. Let's say your teacher said, go to Module 1 and do the assignment. So go to Module 1, click the assignment, open the PDF file, and you will have an overview of what's inside that file. The next step is you have to click Open with Google Docs. Once you open it with Google Docs, you can edit your assignment. If you don't have Microsoft Word, this one is free for you. So let's say you already put your name, the date, and all the answers, and you were done with your homework. File, download, save it as PDF file. Once you downloaded the file as PDF, it will be automatically saved in your downloads folder. Now, we want to submit the assignment so your teacher can check your homework. I'm going to close this, go back to Classroom, click Anywhere, and go to People tab. In the People tab, you will find all the people who work at the college and your classmates as well. You will notice a message icon on the right. It's an easy access in sending an email. So look for your teacher's name at the top. So your teacher, as an example, is Miss Ophelia Atienza. Look for her name and click the message icon on the right. Once you click this, fill the subject line of the module number of your assignment. For example, Module 1, assignment, and then put your name. So let's say your name is Manpreet Kaur. Now, write a brief message to your professor. Hi, professor. Herewith is my assignment for Module 1. Thank you. Regards, Manpreet Kaur. You have to put your name, of course, and then do not forget to attach your homework. So click the pin button at the bottom. Find the downloaded file in the Downloads folder and then upload it. Click Open. Wait for it to be uploaded and then hit Send. It will show you down here that your message is sent and it's ready for checking by your professor. Now it's already submitted. So far, what we have discussed, we discussed how to attend a class under Stream tab, how to view all your course materials under Classwork, and how to submit assignment in People tab. Account information is also covered, so in case you forget your email and password, just go again your account information email. Thank you and have a great day.